Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to discuss about how to use find nearest tool in Alteryx. So if you go on the spatial tab, and here you can see find nearest tool. So with the help of find nearest tool we can identify the closest point or polygon in one file to the point in second file. So let's understand by example. So let's go on in and out. So here I'm going to order it. So here track input data inside the workflow. Now hereafter we can select the file or the database table. So click on this drop down box, and here if you want to connect with database table you need to click on this. Here you can connect with SQL Server, Oracle and many more. Now here, so to connect with the file, select file tab and here click on select. So here I'm going to use the table state, population and sample data. So here let's write S, and here you can see this is state population I am going to use. So state population because it has a spatial column. So here state population, select this. Now you can see a spatial object is there. So it has the column and rows are polygon. Now here after next is go to spatial and drag this find nearest. Now you can see it has two incoming. So first I'm going to use here or dragging this link, and here after click on this. So here you can connect with file or database tables. So click on drop down. So here I'm going to connect to here write as and sample. So somewhere you can see sample. So here you can see sample customer, sample supply, and let's select here sample demand. So sample demand, and here after the file is empty. So now next is it's showing the file empty. Let's ignore and drag this. One is for match, one for U. So M for match and U for unmatch. So here workflow part that has done. Now click on this run button. So here you can see it only taken 3.6 second time. So here after let's click on this find nearest, and here T for target. So here this is the target and it has the spatial object, and this is the values. So U for universe, no data available, click on M. So here you can see this is the match that font. So here match font, spatial object. Here this is the polygon, universal spatial object, this is the point, this all matching value, and U for unmatch. So this is the unmatch or its font. So according to here spatial find nearest, identify the closest point or polygon in file, the point in second. So here this is the point in the first, and next this is the point. So it available in state population and available in sample or demand. Okay, and here after if I click on this, so here this is the matching data that font that available in this tools file, and here this is the graphical representation. So when you click, so it's click on for Michigan, and here after this is find nearest rank. Here you can see one distance in miles, this is direction in SE, and So this is the match that found, and it's getting the find nearest rank, distance, miles, and direction. Now if I click on this, so here this is for unmatched, and this all value. So unmatched value here could not see find nearest. So if I click here, this is rows that selected. Okay, now hereafter let's click on uh, here find nearest, and here you can see there is the miles. So you can use kilometer, and drive distance km, minute you can select. Now here after the next is, so one important thing, suppose if I select here null spatial column file, so what will happen, so I'm going to select here tutorial data. So tutorial data, it has no spatial column. So here if I run, so here I'm getting the error. So error because here the field spatial object is not contained in the record. So this file, it has no any spatial object. So when the spatial object, then you can use it. So here let's click on this. So here a state population that I'm using, so a spatial column, and this is the rows there. So if you run this, so now you cannot see here any error. So find nearest you can get. So this is here find nearest, and input field, input target, and this is the universe. So this is the target, and it's state population that go to target, and u for this files. Now when that match, that go to this place, and when that no matching here. So on the matching you can see extra column that added find nearest, distance, mile, and the direction. So this is the way we can use the find nearest tool inside Alteryx. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.